Hey, Scott Young here. I want to share with you today 7 facts about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a huge industry and a lot of people are making money. I think you'll be surprised by these 7 facts that I'm going to share with you in today's video. Fact number 1, more than 80% of brands have an affiliate marketing program. Some of the largest companies in the world, you'd be surprised, but they actually have affiliate marketing programs. One that you probably know about, or maybe surprised to know, but Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate marketing companies in the world. People are putting links to products in their blogs, in their YouTube videos, all over the place, and a lot of these links are affiliate links to the products on Amazon, and they're earning a commission on these clicks. Fact number 2, America is the biggest player in terms of the affiliate marketing industry. It has 39% of the market share of all the affiliate marketing dollars in the world. So there is a huge amount of money flowing through the United States in the affiliate marketing business. Fact number 3, nearly 65% of affiliate marketers generate traffic by blogging. That's a huge amount of people that are generating all this traffic to their affiliate links through blogs. Now, blogs are a wonderful and amazing way to go, but I found that there's an even better way to go. It can be combined with blogging, but video. I feel like video is the new blogging because people love to watch things more than they like to read things. But still, 65% of affiliate marketers are using blogs to promote their affiliate links. Amazing. Fact number 4, 50% of affiliate related traffic is coming from mobile devices. 50%. So that means you need to make sure that you've got your landing pages, your capture pages, your websites, and everything optimized for mobile as well. Otherwise, you're missing out on half the market. Fact number 5, 74% of users trust social media to help them make purchase decisions. That is a huge number and a lot of trust put in social media and the things that they're reading and researching on there to help them make purchase decisions. So you really want to be on social media, at least as part of your strategy, to help drive traffic, because like we've talked about in a lot of my other videos, trust is the number one factor that is going to help people buy your product that you are promoting. Fact number 6, affiliate marketing is responsible for 16% of global e-commerce sales. 16%. I mean, think of all the e-commerce sales that are happening in the world. It's trillions of dollars, and affiliate marketing alone is responsible for 16% of that. That's a huge number. Fact number 7, affiliate marketing is the top customer acquisition channel for 40% of US merchants. That means that all these companies, they're getting 40% of their customers through affiliate marketing. And that's also a huge number. It's surprising that so much of the customer acquisition is happening through this thing called affiliate marketing. Hey, I hope you enjoyed these 7 facts, getting to know a little bit more about the amazing industry called affiliate marketing. I hope it encourages you to get out there and take action in your business so that you can get a slice of the pie. Take care.